Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to convert degrees into radians in Excel. That's quite easy. You just need to use a single function. And in order to do that, I first activate the formula mode of Excel, that is by putting an equal sign, and then I write radian. So I have the radian over here. I double click it and I enter the cell number, which is presently this one, F4. So I add F and then 4 and close the bracket. And if I hit enter on my keyboard, it converts 30 degrees to radian, which is 0.52. And if I put my cursor on the fill handler and drag it down for the rest of the degrees, then it converts all of them into radian. So it's quite easy. Now I want to convert radians into degree. I repeat the same process, but now this time I use degrees. So the degree function converts radians into degrees, and then I enter, now again I enter the cell number, which is now G4, and I then again hit enter on my keyboard. So you see I'm back on 30. So this way, if I drag it for the rest of them, so we first convert degrees into radian by using radian function, and then again I'm converting radian into degrees by using degree functions. And then thanks for watching Safi Mixed.